The butcher was sitting quietly in his shop when, to his surprise, a dog walked in, holding an envelope in its mouth. The butcher, curious, opened the envelope and found a note inside that read, 1 kilo of meat. Along with the note was the exact amount of money for the meat. Astonished, the butcher prepared the meat, placed it in a bag, and handed it to the dog. The dog took the bag in its mouth and trotted off quickly. The butcher, amazed at the dog's intelligence, couldn't resist following to see where it would go. He followed the dog as it walked confidently through the streets, stopping at the bus station. The dog patiently waited for the bus, just like any other passenger. When the bus arrived, the dog hopped on, and the butcher followed, sitting nearby to observe. As the bus conductor came around to collect fares, the dog pulled out the correct amount of money from its collar and handed it over, just like a person would. Everyone on the bus, including the butcher, was astonished at how clever the dog was. When the bus neared the next stop, the dog moved to the front, barked a few times, and the driver understood that this was where the dog needed to get off. The bus stopped, and the dog jumped off, with the butcher still trailing behind, eager to see what would happen next.